My favorite thing about being a biology major here is all the opportunities that we're given. There's so many, for example, research opportunities. It's my job to go out and find them, but the professors, of course, do a wonderful job supporting us and encouraging us. My research focuses on looking at nutrient differences in Acton Lake, as well as its post-flow, the streams, as well as algae differences, the growth over time in those different spots. It's important to look at the nutrient differences in lakes and their outflow. Since we're such an agricultural-based town, the agriculture makes a big difference. So we're trying to look how agriculture is positively affecting or negatively affecting our lakes. I love working with Leslie. She's so encouraging. It's been awesome to have her as a mentor and a professor. She's been doing this for so much longer than me, and it's awesome to be able to look up to her. Miami has helped me grow as a leader, being able to have my own research project. Of course, my professors and mentors have guided me through the way, but being responsible for my own project has really built my confidence and helped me be a leader, knowing that I'm in charge of this. After I graduate Miami, I plan to pursue a master's degree in marine biology. I'd like to go somewhere on the coast. I'd like to, ideally, working with sharks or rays would be awesome, but I'm definitely going to take what I've learned here at Miami, and that's going to help me in the future. Because of Miami, I am pursuing my dreams. I'm doing research, and I'm becoming a scientist.